Hey guys, it's 5 a.m. in the morning in Norway, and I just finished setting up the next video. Today we're fortunate enough to have Tiago, who is gonna tell us about his experience using Anki. He's a fourth-year medicine student, so I think some of you are gonna enjoy this. Please let me know what you think of the video in the description. Please let me know what you think about the video in the comments, and yeah, enjoy.
Hello, my name is Tiago. I'm a fifth-year med student, and I am here to talk to you about my experience with Anki flashcards in medicine. I started using Anki around my fourth year of medical school, and I was surprised by how much it actually helped me to remember what I was studying. Before using Anki, I took like 2 or 3 reviews to actually remember the content I was studying. After using Anki, I realized that during my second review of a certain matter, I already remembered what I was studying. For me, Anki is a big help with medicine because it makes reviewing a lot easier. You no longer have to reread your notes a bunch of times or go back to a book chapter you highlighted. With flashcards, you have a more time-efficient way to reread or to recall what you have just learned. While you have to spend time making the flashcards, if you choose to make your own, it does save you a lot more time in the long run. I actually liked Anki flashcards so much that I started a business on Fiverr where I create personalized flashcards for medical students whenever they send me a file or something they want to study. Today I want to share with you some of my experience with medicine flashcards, and so I am going to give you 4 tips for starting out your medicine Anki flashcards or to get even better with them. Starting with number 1, understanding before memorizing. In medicine, there are some subjects, like anatomy, where there isn't really much to understand and you have to rely a lot more on memory. But then there are other subjects where understanding the information and what you are studying is key to being successful in that subject. When we understand something, it creates a much stronger memory than if we try to memorize something without understanding it. Understanding is also very important for you to be able to apply your knowledge on everyday life situations. And that is what medicine is all about, actually. I strongly advise you to try to understand what you are reading before trying to memorize it, because it not only creates a much stronger memory link, it also helps you in real life situations. What I would recommend doing is to study a subject until the end, and at the end, analyze and understand what is actually important and translate that into flashcards. It will not only help you memorize what you are studying, but it will also help you create better flashcards because you are creating the flashcards from important data and not just something you read. For the second and third tips, we are going to pass to my computer screen, where I am going to share with you my 2 favorite types of Anki flashcards. In my opinion, these are the types that are most important to be using in medical school. Okay, so here we are on my computer screen. And the second tip I would like to share with you is use close deletion flashcards. This is mainly because it is faster to create. If in this example I have here, you can easily just do a close deletion here and you're done with your flashcards. If you use basic flashcards, you not only have to convert the sentence into a question, but you also have to divide it. For example, here I would have to write which is the main largest artery and click here the aorta, and now I would have the flashcard made. This takes about like an extra 3 seconds, which doesn't look like it is a lot, but for example, in my 4th year of medicine in the 2nd semester, I created about 2,300 flashcards. If you multiply those numbers of flashcards by 3 seconds, it would mean I would take 2 more hours creating my flashcards. Keep also in mind that this is a simple sentence. There are some that are harder to convert into questions, and you will take even more time if you choose to use basic flashcards. So I advise you to use close deletions on your flashcards, because not only does it make creating the flashcards faster, but it also makes it a lot easier to do. The third tip is use Image Occlusion Enhanced. This is a type of flashcard that doesn't come originally with Anki. You have to download it as an add-on on Anki Web, and it is an essential type of flashcard for medicine students. I have here an example. I have an image of the limbic system, and I can just cover the parts I want to see occluded and then create the flashcards. For you to have a preview, it looks something like this. So you can choose the information you want to cover, so you have to remember it. This is great not only for images and for anatomy, but is great for tables, for decision trees. It is a must-have add-on for medicine students. I'm going to leave in the description the link for this add-on, and I strongly encourage you to download it and use it because it is very useful for medicine. The fourth tip I would like to share with you is to review your flashcards daily. Anki uses a spaced repetition mechanism which helps you memorize when you review a certain information a lot of times with a space between. If you review your flashcards daily, Anki has an algorithm that helps you review each flashcard in its correct time. Here, the Android or the iOS app is very useful because you can review your flashcards wherever you go. Me personally, I like to review my flashcards on the train because it's the means of transport I use to get to college. What is important here is to review your flashcards daily, because that is what creates a strong memory link. So these are the 4 tips I wanted to share with you. I really hope these help you in starting out your Anki medicine flashcard journey, and I hope you liked the video.